Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to redeem on Steam. So let's get started. So if you want to redeem a gift card on Steam, what you can do is just simply open up your Steam application. So you can open up your Steam application using your browser by just logging into your account using your browser or just opening up your Steam application. So you can select any one of those options. So after opening up your Steam application, now what you can do is just tap on your profile icon or over your name over here, which is on the top right corner of your screen. From there what you can do is just and then tap on it, and after tapping on it what you'll do is you'll find a bunch of options, and from there what you can do is just tap on account details, and inside your account details what you can do is just tap on add funds to your Steam wallet. And by tapping on add funds to your Steam wallet, it will direct you to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code, which is on the right hand side of your screen. So just tap on this third option, and after tapping on that what you will do is you'll come to this page, and from here in this blank you can enter the redeem code. So just enter the Steam wallet code that you have received or you have just created, and after entering that you just have to tap on continue, and after tapping on continue you will see the amount of the redeem card that you have or the gift card that you have. What you can do is by just tapping on continue, you will redeem that gift card or that gift code. After redeeming your code, what you can do is just use it in your games. So you can download any games or just buy any item inside a specific game. So that's it guys, this is how to redeem on Steam. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.